Hi, and welcome back to question 3 of the November 2012 paper 1 for the Namibian Senior Secondary Certificate higher level paper. Okay, we only have one question in this video, so it shouldn't be too long, but I want to try and explain it a little bit better than just some people are really good at this, and they can just see what to do and they just do it straight away. But let's have a look. So they say copy the 6x6 grid and shade the minimum number of squares so that this grid has a rotational symmetry of 4. So we have to shade some of these squares so that if we twist it around, it's symmetrical with a symmetry of 4. That means 4 times. So how do we know what that means? Well, a full rotation is 360 degrees. So if we divide that by the number of symmetries we want, we get 90 degrees. So every 90 degrees we rotate it must be symmetrical. For example, if we have a square, and we take the square and we rotate it, right, 90 degrees, it should look the same. Another 90, it should look the same again. Another 90, the same again, and so on. So every 90 degrees, it should look the same. That's what rotational symmetry of 4 means. All right, so let's see if we can figure this out. Okay, so that means for every direction, in this direction, this direction, and that one, we should have the same idea going on. So if we look at this row from this direction, okay, then this part, this shaded part, let me just shade it with a pen as well. This shaded part is in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th block. So now we rotate this whole picture 90 degrees, and now we look at from the left again. So that means we're looking at from here now. Now from here, the same row, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th position. 5th position. Rotate it again, so we look at it from this side now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th position again. And lastly, now rotate it 90 degrees more, and we look at it from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th position. And we shade that. All right, now we do the same for this block. So for this one, let me do that in a different color. So for this block, if we look at it, I'm going to start from here where we finished the previous one. So from here, we see it's the second one from the left, and it's the 1, 2, 3, 4th block. Okay, so we're going to shade the 4th block. Then rotate it again, so now we're looking at it from here. So again, there'll be a 1, 2, 3, 4th block that we have to color in or shade. Rotate it 90 degrees again, we're looking at it from this side. So now it's the 1, 2, 3, 4th block again from that side. And finally from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that should have rotational symmetry of 4. Now let's check if that works. How do I want to do this? Let's see. If we put this grid on here. Okay, so let me just I'm going to put it to the side. We're going to put it right there. And I'm going to do the same shading, and then we're going to do the rotation to see if it works. Okay, so let's do the black shading. So that's for this block. We've got this one. And we've got this one here. And this one here. And then the pink ones. There we've got this one. This one. This one. And finally this one. Okay, so let's see if we can move this block now. Oh, is that the whole thing? Nope, almost. Sorry. Let me just try that one more time. Alright, so now we have this one. Superimpose it on here. And let's do the rotation and see if it works. Okay, so 90 degrees. Okay, so we see it fits, right? It's just not a nice rotation because the thing isn't a 90-degree shape actually. But that fits. Another 90 degrees. Again, we see it's the right blocks that are colored in. Another 90 degrees. Again, the right blocks that are colored in, and 90 degrees more. And we're back to where we started. Exactly the right blocks colored in. Alright, so that is rotational symmetry. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you again shortly for our next video for question 4.